New look at evidence that will be used at a Lauderdale County judge's corruption trial. WAFO 48's Aria Pons dug into court documents relating to the case against Gil Self and what new evidence is laid out.
An audit found that Lauderdale County Judge Gil Self spent over $146,000 of county money on unauthorized expenses, such as purchasing a sofa for himself and buying other things, such as alcohol, kitty litter, eyeglasses, ammunition, and more. During last year's audit, state officials say that Self did pay back the expenses in full. However, state prosecutors say they're still ready to prove his guilt. Prosecutors filed a notice to introduce specific evidence about Self's personal trips. The evidence includes financial records, checks and bank statements from the presiding judge's Judicial Administration Fund, the Law Library Fund, and Self's bank accounts. For a few of those trips, Self allegedly paid himself from the court funds and wrote it off as a drug court trip. Prosecutors also plan to use a local magazine that details Self's bicycling trips in other parts of the country, where he wrote a check to himself for a hotel room with a memo line about a drug court trip as well. Some of the unauthorized expenses included spending more than $1,100 for 2 guns for, quote, courthouse protection. When auditors confronted Self, he couldn't show where they were held in the courtroom or his office. The state says they're ready to prove that over a 4-year period, Self regularly victimized Lauderdale County, adding that the transactions happened nearly every other month. He is set for a status hearing in December, where a trial date could be set. Reporting in Lauderdale County, Aria Pons, 48 on your side.